Hey guys, I'm back. Back in the kitchen once again. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm going to do a DIY on changing my cabinet doors. The coffee maker decided to have a water leak, and it ruined one of my doors, lower doors. We went ahead and decided to change all of them because they're hideous. Very unhappy with the quality of the appliances, fixtures, and pretty much everything else on this house that was only built in 2009. I was trying to change just the one door, and the company that made the cabinets went out of business years ago. These doors are hideous. It does not match the style of this house, so we're going to update it. I went online. I found a company called CabinetNow.com. They had pretty good reviews. I decided to pull the trigger and purchase the doors. I'm not going to change the drawer fronts right as of right now. I'm not going to, but I may decide to change that after I finish. These cabinets were a maple finish, and it just didn't match what we wanted. So I decided to paint the uppers white, paint the lowers black. New hardware, new handles, and I installed the soft close hidden hinges, the Blum hinges, and we were happy with it. And then this coffee maker decided to take a crap and ruin them, or ruin the one door. So anyways, this is where we're at. So let's go through what we're doing. Okay, this was the door that was damaged. Not sure if you can see it, but my wife decided to go ahead and caulk that and then paint it black. It hid the problem. But you see right here, there's a crack in the cabinet door, the style, right? It goes all the way around here. And then down here, it's separated and cracked. Then on the inside, it's separated here, right there, along here, and then down here. This one edge was fine. The quality of the doors is, I've been in construction for 40 years now. Let's see, yeah, 40 years. Gosh, I'm old. And starting out, when I started my own business, I specialized in finished woodwork. So I did a lot of cabinets, installed a lot of cabinets, and I'm very pleased with these doors. And another thing that I'm very pleased about them is the lead time. I ordered them on January 29th, and I received them Friday, which was February 7th. So that's that's unbelievable. On my cabinets, I have a 1/2 inch overlay, so it means that the cabinet door sits a 1/2 inch over all the way around. So what you're going to do is measure the opening, not your existing door. You measure the opening, and then you add 1 inch. So my opening here is exactly 18 inches by 22 inches. So I order my cabinet door 19 inches by 23 inches. That gives me a 1/2 inch all the way around. Close it. Self-closing door hinges. And that matches your drawer front. If you go to cabinetnow.com, on their web page, it has how-to instructions, and they're very helpful. If you have any questions, contact them, support, chat, whatever. And I hope you guys, decide to tackle it. So I'll do an update on them and let you guys know how they go. Thanks for watching. And I'll leave a link to the cabinetnow.com in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.